Bob.
Today we will take you to make an easy breakfast with chicken drumstick and Coca-Cola. So it becoming Coca-Cola boiled chicken drumstick. The first thing you have to do is wash chicken drumsticks and vegetables. And don't forget to wash your hand before cook. Now we are adding the seasoning powder and soy sauce to the chicken drumsticks and mixing it around until soy sauce and seasoning powder covers everything. And set for around 5 or 10 minutes. Next, slice garlic, chop green onion, and slice tomatoes. Now get an electric pan, turn stove top to medium heat and add oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the garlic. After you smell the flavor come out, you can put in the chicken drumstick. Fry it around 10 minutes. Fry chicken drumstick until light brown on both sides. And drain oil. And turn stove top to low heat. Now it's time for Coca-Cola. We are pouring the Coca-Cola to cover all of the chicken drumsticks. And boil around 10 minutes. Garnishing pumpkin. They look so delicious. And then it's ready. This is our Coca-Cola boiled chicken drumstick. Okay, let's have a breakfast together.